Guys, so today I'm going to be doing a top box unboxing. So let's just open this up and see what's in here. Oh, there's a lot in here this month. Okay, so that you're getting a first sneak peek of this. Let's just dive right into here. So whatever the heck this is smoothing eye patches from, this is what it looks like. I don't know how to pronounce that name, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. I don't know where these came from. Made in France. That's why I can't pronounce it. It's not English. All right, so these are, they look like they're quite thick. So that's not bad. And then they put in a sample. This is a complimentary sample. It is Elizabeth Arden White Tea Ginger Lily perfume. I'm not gonna use that, so we'll just put that aside. Then I am going to pull out these. These are a shampoo and conditioner, great smell, vegan, we care in, this is a natural brand, I think. This is a pretty decent size. They're 90 milliliters. They're 95% natural, organic. They're moisturizing with coconut. Are they open? Let's see if they smell good. Oh, they smell like coconut. Ooh, I like that. So I'm not really huge on using shampoo and conditioner that come in a brand like this, but I might actually try them just because they are organic, and that means they have a lot less junk in them. So I might have to try those out. We've got 2 more products in here, and this one, it looks really cool. It has nothing on it until you get to this point here. And this is from another brand I cannot pronounce, but there's a coupon. This is, I think this is made in France as well. Yep, made in France. I don't even know what this is. It's Time Filler, it says. Oh, it's a wrinkle correction cream. Okay. So it's very small. There isn't very much in this container. This looks very fancy. But there's only 10 milliliters or 15 milliliters in here, so you can see that it's obviously not very expensive, like not very big. It's probably really expensive. All the instructions and stuff are in French, so there's that. Now there's one more thing in here, and it comes in a bubble wrap, and I have no idea what this is. And it looks like it's in a spray bottle. What is this? Natural Defense. This is Neil's Yard Remedies Natural Defense Hand Rub. 75% alcohol. What is this? Pour carefully onto hands and rub until dry. Oh, is this an alcohol? It's like hand sanitizer. I'm assuming this is a hand sanitizer. I'm gonna have to Google that, but that's what it looks like there. This is, it's made in Ireland. It's got 40 milliliters. Oh, made in England, it says. So I guess they're putting hand sanitizer now in this container. I guess it's better than hand cream because I was getting real sick of the hand cream. So those are the 5 items that I got this month. So shampoo, conditioner, I'm definitely going to try this. Definitely going to use this, even though, ooh, I'm probably never going to rebuy it. Going to try those. This I might just throw in my purse and see how well it works. But actually, all in all, other than the fragrance sample, which is totally free and just like a complimentary sample, this is a pretty decent box. I may not super love the shampoo and conditioner. I'll have to see how it makes my hair feel, but that is, yeah. Alrighty, so if you have used any of these products before, leave me a comment in the comments below and tell me what you think of them. They're all brand new products to me that I've never even heard of, so that's pretty cool. Today is going to be my unboxing of my BoxyCharm unboxing video. Yeah, there's that. So this is for September. It is literally the last day of September. I got it in the mail last night, so I figured I would get this video out. Obviously, it's going to be coming out in October, but besides the point. So let's just jump into this. This is what it looks like. So this month, BoxyCharm is BTS. That is what it looks like. First thing I see is this here, and this is the, I have no idea what this is, so it's a little pouch, and it is from the brand Elaina Badro. I have no idea. So it's a leather pouch, and oh, it's brushes. So there are 3 brushes in here. I'm assuming this is an eyebrow brush, or you can use it as an eyeliner, I guess. There is a fluffy brush. It's probably a crease brush. And then this is, ooh, it's very soft. This is definitely a contour brush or a highlighter brush. So this package with the very leather fancy pouch, these are $58 for 3 brushes. Holy crap, that's insane. Who the heck would buy? All right, no, all right. Thank you, BoxyCharm. Up next is this here, and this is from Georgette klinger. This is a primer, so it's for all skin types. This looks like it's been sitting in a storage room for forever. This does not feel like it's a new product. I don't know how long ago it's been. There's a seal on it though that you're gonna have to pull off, but this bottle looks like it was like a misprint or something, and then something happened to it, which is why they put it in this BoxyCharm. That's not actually facts. I don't know. This is a $32 primer. Okay. Well, I haven't heard of either one of those 2 brands, so there's that. I would never spend that much money on a brand that I have no idea about, but stay tuned, maybe I'll love it. So this is from Realher, and this is the Never Give Up Moisturizing Lipstick, and it's in chestnut, I think it's called. I hope chestnut isn't code word for brown, because that is what chestnut is in my life. Yep. That's exactly what this is. Okay, so, well, the packaging is really cute. I'm not even swatching this because I will never wear this lipstick. It is way, way too brown for me. Which the name suggests, you know, chestnut. Then there is this here. Oh, wait, sorry. And that's an $18 lipstick. Okay, so then there is this here, and this is from Brow Gal. This is the Saint Luxe Brow Gel, and it doesn't say that there's a okay, it doesn't say that there's a color to it. Oh, it's clear. Okay, so there's a little brow gel in here. It's just, you know, like every other gel. It's got a little wand. I don't use brow gels very often. I use like a pomade, so I might have to try a more natural look, but that's not bad. This is a $22 brow gel. Okay, well, that makes no sense because the Brow Gal pencils are actually $18. So I don't understand why the brow gel is $22. I think BoxyCharm's numbers are a bit off, but I mean, that's just me. And then of course, the piece de resistance, which is the GlamGlow Youthful Mud. This is the glow stimulating treatment. This is the one I think that tingles a little bit on your face. I actually love GlamGlow. I've used this before. I do like this. I'm not really excited that we got GlamGlow in the box this month. I don't really like getting facial like kind of stuff like this, and because this isn't something everybody can use. I break out because of this one, so this kind of pisses me off that it's something that I'm getting that I would never purchase myself. But I mean, I guess as a broad spectrum, I guess it's fine, but this actually makes my skin awful. I cannot use this, so I think I'm gonna give it to somebody else. This is a $60 face mask, which is why I'm kind of choked that it's in here. So I have 2 items that I will not use, so the lipstick and the GlamGlow. And then I will try the primer. And of course, I will definitely use the brushes. I would never spend this much money on these brushes, but, and then I will try the brow gel, I think. But honestly, I'm not impressed with anything that came in this box this month. This continues, I'm gonna have to cancel this. I know I keep saying that, but then BoxyCharm usually redeems himself with a really good box, but this month, no. Hey, this is not something that I enjoy. I mean, most people would probably really like this box other than maybe the really dark chocolate brown lipstick. I mean, to each their own though. Anyway, that was everything for September's BoxyCharm. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys are staying safe. Have a great day. Bye!